Is love real or just a dream? Something softer than it seems, a fleeting touch, a borrowed light that disappears into the night. Maybe I just never knew what it means to feel it true. Or maybe love just slips away, no matter how hard we try to stay. I've seen the way it starts so bright, like morning sun after the night. But even light can slowly fade and leave behind the mess we made. I'm not as young as I once was. I've learned to question what love does. Is it healing? Is it pain? Or just a sign